CData Sync provides automated continuous replication of your enterprise data to any data store, enabling comprehensive views into your data and empowering deeper, more actionable insights. In this video, we show how to download and install CData Sync using the cross-platform installer, create an initial user, and license the installation with a trial license. To begin, navigate to CData.com. Click Platform, then CData Sync. Click on the Try It Free button and select Cross-Platform for your installation. Fill in your contact information and click the Download button to begin. When the download completes, create a directory to store the application folder. Extract the compressed download to the newly created directory. In a console or terminal, execute the CData Sync jar file. The web interface for CData Sync will open in your default browser once the server starts. Create a new user and password and log in. On the settings page, enter the license information for your trial or free license. And that's everything you need to know to install CData Sync using the cross-platform installer. To get more information about CData Sync or get started with a free trial, visit cdata.com/sync. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at cdata.com.